To use a TD Bank gift card online, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have the gift card number and the security code from the back of the card. The security code is a 3 or 4-digit number that is usually found on the back of the card, often in the signature panel. Next, go to the website of the online store where you want to use the gift card. Once you have found the item you want to purchase, proceed to the checkout page. At the checkout page, look for the option to enter a gift card or promo code. This option is usually found below the payment methods section. Enter the TD Bank gift card number and security code in the required fields. Make sure to enter the numbers correctly, as incorrect entries may result in the gift card being declined. If the gift card balance is greater than the purchase amount, the remaining balance will be left on the card. If the gift card balance is less than the purchase amount, you will need to use a secondary payment method to cover the remaining balance. This can be a credit or debit card, or other accepted payment methods. Once you have entered the gift card information and any additional payment information, review your order and submit it. You will then receive a confirmation email or notification that your order has been processed. It is always a good idea to keep track of your gift card balance and to use it before it expires. You can check your gift card balance online or by calling the customer service number provided on the back of the card. It is also important to note that some online stores may have specific rules or restrictions for using gift cards, so it is a good idea to review the store's gift card policy before making a purchase. By following these steps, you can easily use your TD Bank gift card online and take advantage of its convenience and flexibility.